Open Broadcaster Software Studio, or OBS, is a free, open-source, software-based video switcher and control room that can be installed on computers, laptops, or desktops, running Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. In other words, the vast majority of computers available today. To install OBS Studio on your computer, you'll need to web to obsproject.com, as you see here in the upper left, and you'll see this home page. Just select the operating system your computer is running, Windows in this case, and allow your browser to download the installer for OBS. We'll save that and wait for it to finish downloading. Once the installer is finished downloading, just run it. In this case, in Chrome by double-clicking on the download biscuit here. Of course, we'll allow OBS Studio to install. We'll now work our way through the install dialog. Taking the defaults would be my recommendation. So we'll next, and then install. The installation will only take a few moments in most cases. Once the install has finished, you can click the Finish button here, and if you leave things at the defaults, this will immediately launch OBS Studio. When OBS first starts, you'll be asked to run a basic auto configuration wizard. Since in this set of tutorials we're assuming that we'll be using OBS primarily for the virtual camera output to Zoom, I'll make that selection. You can always come back and configure streaming and recording settings later on. After making that selection, we'll click Next and then Apply Settings. And OBS is now installed and ready for further configuration. In the next tutorial, we'll learn how to add video sources to OBS.